our 48-inch Thai fried ice cream roll machine. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 48 inches, depth of 24¼ inches, overall height with wheels, we have 15 inches. From the bottom to the top of the cover, holding the containers without the wheels, we have at least 45 inches in height. And the measurement, from the bottom to the top of the ice cream make area, without the wheels, we have 29 inches. 2 pans with a measurement of 19¾ in radius, and included are 4 containers for storage for toppings for your ice cream. And the measurements for each container will be 4¾ inches by 3½ inches in height. Total of 8 containers included. Coming to the front are 2 separate switches and control for the left and right. Located in the back, feeding through the front, will be your standard 110, 120 voltage connection plugs. Coming to the back will be your ETL certification sticker. For more information on this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.